It's a brand new day in Tokyoto. Headlining the news is the recent statement from Goji Rokaku on the graffiti gangs plaguing the city. Quote, "My Rokaku forces are on patrol in all major metropolitan areas to make sure these terrorists are behind bars where they belong."
Found this V5 on the backside of the Columbia boulder. I'm just gonna try it before we hop on Midnight Lightning. It's pretty slick because all the snow melted, but
yeah,
other than that, it should be fun.
Oh, one more.
No, there's a left foot that has some. Yeah, there you go. Shorts. Come on. No.
Oh, there's a deer over there. It has like antlers and stuff. Come on.
Dude, it's like putting your hand in a puddle.
I know. It's completely wet. Oh.
I don't know if that's the move.
We're gonna drive through it. Oh, can I have a pod?
Get your shoes all wet.
I never. Yeah, I never hated snow before this.
I don't hate snow, but like bouldering in it, maybe not the move.
Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah, that's it. The top part is just all wet.
Did I miss something?
Or is it
just that.
I think it's just that.
Come on. Dude, the snow adds like an extra 2 grades. Hopefully Midnight Lightning's not this wet. Nice. It's so bad.
Yeah, I'm ready to move on again.
GG.
Come on. Oh.
Get me out of here.
Dude, I don't know why, but like, my feet are kind of cold.
No way you're that in the snow. I mean, still try, but probably not need to talk about if I get there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I would get to the mantle and then snow.
Like match the mantle and it just drop down.
Yeah, because even if you were to get the mantle, it's so slick above it. It's not slick.
I don't know if I want to trust my foot with that mantle.
Yeah.
These guys got the right idea. Come on. Nice. Oh. Come on, Ayaka. Come on. Nice. Nice, come on. Oh, nice try. Come on, Harrison. Nice.
Yeah.
Bro, you think it's switch speed in this back? Just so switch up.
Come on.
That goes.
You got it, Harrison. Come on. Nice, Harrison. Oh! Yeah, dude. Come on. Nice, Devin, you got it. Nice. On. The layers are coming off. Come on, Devin, you got it. Come on. Take the shirt off. Come on, Ayaka. Nice. Oh.
You got this. Come on, Devin. Nice. Come on. Nice. Come on. Nice. Come on, Devin. You got this. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, nice, Devin. Come on. Don't get it.
Come on, Devin.
Come on. Nice.
You got it.
Come on, Devin.
Come on, Devin.
Nice. Come on.
Come on.
Nice, Devin. Come on.
Nice. Come on, Devin.
Oh, you can't see it.
Dude, I couldn't see the foot.
It's freaking huge.
Let's come over here.
Oh.
But there's a butt crack in the butt.
What?
I put a poop.
What? Ew, he's pooping.
Stop.
What am I? What am I?
Practice for slab climbing.
Oh. Oh. Go, go, go. Oh. Come on. Nice. Oh. I'm coming with you. Oh. Ah. No. Ow. Alright, this is the warm-up boulder. I don't know the name of it. Midnight Lightning's over there though.
The
next?
boulder is called Midnight Lightning, V8.
Yep, that's next, that's next. That's part 2 of the warm-up.
Yeah.
We should just explain the beta.
Okay, so start on
So
this.
right hand crimp,
right hand,
left hand around the corner,
left hand, and then
left foot.
you can
right
use
here,
the Harrison foot there.
left foot here.
I just match
down
feet
here.
there, and then you get left foot up to that, and then I get right foot over there, and I use this intermediate slap up to like here.
Or you could just go straight to the
Yeah, Harrison just goes straight up, but I slap up there, and I stand up and grab that
undercling,
side pull there, and then
undercling this.
Harrison flips to an undercling here. I don't. I just stand up and grab the first crimp there, and then I move my right hand to an undercling and then go cross up left hand to the next crimp. Harrison just switches the foot to a back step and then comes into that crimp. And then from there, I switch feet on here and then go right foot here and then do the jump to the pretty positive crimp. Harrison's just trying to jump with the low foot. But from there, you hit the crimp and then right foot to the higher tick mark, left foot to the lower one, flag out, match it. There's a foot right there, and then match the sloper, and then feet over, mantle, and easy if dry at the end. All right.
Maybe something's wrong.
Come on, Devin. Yeah, come on, Devin. Yeah, come on, Devin. Yeah, Devin. Yeah, Devin, come on. Yeah, come on, Devin.
It's so slippery.
I see water on your head. Yeah, come on, Harrison. Yeah, Devin, come on. Come on, Devin. Come on, Devin.
Alright, Midnight Lightning. This is
Flash attempt.
yeah, flash attempt. It's just us and some snowmen out here. Come on. You got it. One. Come on, Devin. One. Come on, Devin.
Let's go! Yes! That's as far as I'm getting with the wetness.
Dude, that was awesome. I'm so scared because like I kept having the pattern and do it right at first.
It's fine.
Was it really wet up there?
You know, the mantle is like pretty juggy, but it's just wet.
Oh really? So you think it's like not super hard?
No, I think the mantle goes easy if
Oh okay.
it's dry.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
We need to schedule your Yosemite trip, maybe in the summer.
Yeah, this summer for sure.
That's how wet the top section is. That's the mantle hold there. Doesn't look that wet, but it's pretty slippery. But like the foot is just like completely wet.
Yeah.
Come on. Nice. Yeah.
Oh,
I feel like you're
my hand slipped.
Yeah. Do we need to brush it again? Yep.
What the?
Was it there for this?
Up. Come on.
Lower? Like is this like it's a boy?
I really need like stack pads for that.
Oh.
This is a different time.
Cold.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
You are not.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh!
Come on. Yes, Harrison, come on. Higher. Yes, come on! Yes. I got you, come on.
Oh.
Yes, come on. Yeah. Nice, Harrison, come on. Come on. Come on!
There you go.
Yes. Come on, Harrison. Come on, Harrison. Oh!
Oh, you right?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do your left hand just dry fire?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, nice.
Good job. Great beta.
Alright. That's it for today.